nag-support doon kay Ate Lynn. Ano, mga super chatter niya. Sa ating mga, ganito lang. So, wala tayong, mga ganun na taga-suporta. So, lang tayo muna. Ganito lang mga gawin natin. Kasi, darating din yung time na meron na manonood sa mga video natin. So, ito sa akin, itong live ko ganito na, nagkanta na ako na walang background. Kasi, parang naubos yung ko. Double hit sa live na may background. Sayang Ka-monetize ko lang baka mademo agad. Sayang naman. By the way, thank you po sa ating 3 milyon. Yan, salamat po. To you, love is one big illusion. I should try to forget, but there is something left in my head. Busog na sa ininom ka. You're the one who said it up. Now you want to make it stop. I'm the one who's feeling lost right now. Now you want me to forget every little thing you said, but there is something left in my head. Won't forget the way you kissing, the feeling so strong. We're lasting for so long, but I'm not the man your heart is missing. That's why you go away. I know you. Parang may background ako dito. Istorbo tong apps na to. Nagpa-pop up. Patay naman. Ba't nag-pop up yun? Now you wanna say goodbye to me. Love is one big illusion. I should try to forget, but there is something left in my head. I won't forget the way you're kissing, the feeling so strong. We're lasting for so long, but I'm not the man your heart is missing. That you go away, I know you. Bulol-bulol pa. Ano natin yan? Timpla natin yan. Suka. Suka yan, suka oh. Pampaganda ng busis. Asim kilig. Hanap tayo ba song? Start over again. Kung sakali. Kung sakali. Try natin guys.